Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage website security with Cloudflare, detailed guide step by step clearly. To manage website security with Cloudflare, start by creating an account on the Cloudflare website. Visit the Cloudflare homepage and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and a secure password, then confirm your account via the link sent to your email. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to add your website. Type your website's domain name into the provided field, then click Add Site. Select a plan that suits your needs, beginning with the free plan if you're just starting. Cloudflare will scan your domain's current DNS records. Review the scanned DNS records for accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments and click Continue. Next, you will be provided with Cloudflare's name servers. Log into your domain registrar's website to update your name servers. Replace your existing name servers with the Cloudflare provided ones. Save your changes, then return to your Cloudflare dashboard. Cloudflare will indicate when your name server updates are complete. Once your site is active on Cloudflare, navigate to the Firewall section in the dashboard. Enable the firewall features by adjusting the settings according to your security needs. Consider activating the Web Application Firewall, or WAF, for added protection. Set security rules to block or challenge visitors based on specific criteria such as IP addresses or country of origin. Next, go to the SSL/TLS section to ensure your site has an SSL certificate. Select the Full or Full, Strict option for maximum security. This will encrypt data between the users and your server. Now, navigate to the Security Level settings. Choose your desired security level, ranging from essentially off to I'm under attack. Next, set up rate limiting to control the number of requests to your site. Define rules based on your traffic patterns to prevent DDoS attacks. Finally, monitor your site's security performance. Regularly check the analytics section for detailed insights on threats and blocked attacks. Keep adjusting your security settings based on the analytics data. With these steps, you can effectively manage your website security using Cloudflare. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.